recording. Okay. I'm going to do a little video presentation demo of the Sony IC Recorder. Recording audio with it right now. You can see on the screen there. And as you can probably tell by the weird rustling sounds. It is a highly sensitive microphone. Okay, just some basics about this recorder. It's got about 2 gigs internal memory, but it does have optional slot for a micro SD card. I'll just go over some of the outside features. Here's where the actual microphone is. You can hear. Right there. Here I have headphones plugged in so I can hear what the microphone is recording as it records, which I think is really handy. Here is an external microphone kind of jack. What is interesting is you can record from external equipment. And let me show you what I mean. Auxiliary cable. Plug it into a music player. When I plugged it in, I think it stopped recording the voice sound since I have an external thing hooked up. I'll unplug these so that you can hear this once it's done recording. I'm going to hit record, and it should be recording from this source, basically. So as the music or whatever you have hooked up to it plays, it'll record that audio directly. Pause that. Stop that. Let's have a listen. Let me turn up the volume. Volume switch just on the side there. I waited a second before I started. Yeah. It's got an okay. Has an okay built-in speaker. I guess just to make sure that you recorded something. But yeah, not bad. You can essentially you can record anything. It's mostly for voice, obviously, but it is good to know, say if you were in some sort of meeting or presentation and they had important audio, that's what you wanted to record, not just a silent room or the noise from some weird speakers. Now I will return to recording with the IC recorder so that you can tell the difference in audio quality. Here's the record pause button. Start the recording. Boom. There's a button seen on here that is for selecting the appropriate, I guess, sort of preset so it can partially calibrate itself for what sort of environment it's going to be in. You can even set an alarm on here. Here's a really handy button, the T mark. Hit that, and it creates a sort of a flag or some sort of marker within the the audio file that you record. So say you're in class and the professor says something really important, you can just hit the T mark button, and then you can, instead of having to sort through hours and hours and hours of audio recording, you have that T mark there that's like, okay, something important was said here, and then here. There's a noise cut switch that with that on or off eliminates additional noise. Even though you can hook up an external microphone, the built-in microphone of this is pretty spectacular in my opinion. Yeah, that is the Sony DVR voice recorder. Records great quality sound. So far I've used it to record audio in every video I've made so far. spectacular audio capture source. Really top of the line, top notch little product. And again, 2 gigs internal memory. That holds a lot. That holds a lot of hours of voice recording because they're not huge files. Okay, turn off. And done with the recorder.